Welcome to another tool review video. So this time what we've got here is we've got the Ingo Tools lithium ion garden shear. This is a bare only unit, so it doesn't come with the battery. The battery obviously I've still got from my other Ingo Tools. I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing. So let's have a look inside the box, see what we got. And here it comes in its standard orangey black. And there you see this is the short shear. Now I didn't realise it actually comes with a longer shear set as well, so it's quite light. That doesn't weigh much at all with the battery off it. And you've also got in the box, you've got this longer set. So you can see the drive unit there, which drives the shears back and forth. You can see that. And then obviously it has these two buttons that you press either side. There's one either side. That pushes the clips in, and you can switch the end of the tool over. So you should be able to just put this on here, push these two clips. There you go. Off that comes. Some grease on there. And you can just switch this over, put your longer set of cutters on, push that in, that's it, ready to go. That's a very quick release. Pretty much the same as changing a battery, really. Pretty much identical to changing over a battery system. So there's your short set, and then you can switch it over to the long set. Uses your standard Ingo Tools battery. We've got a, obviously doesn't safety lock on the top there, so can't push the button, push the safety, and then you can power the unit on. All good. And then other than that, you've just got your manual. Nobody needs a manual. So I do need to get myself some more batteries. I'm running everything on this one battery. The cheapest option to me looks like, I think I might end up buying the Ingo Tools impact driver, which is, I believe it's, last time I looked was about $89.99, but that came with two batteries and a charger. I think I'd rather do that method and get another tool plus some batteries rather than just pay out $29.99 per battery. So I'm going to pay, you can pay £60 for two batteries, or you can pay the $89.99, get another tool plus two batteries plus another charger. I think that to me sounds the better option. So your battery just slides in from the top, locks in, push the safety, off it goes. So let's give that a try outside on some shrubs. Try both of the cutters, the long one and the short one. See how well they cut. I mean, they look pretty sharp. We can slide this one bugger off. Yeah, they look like they've got a nice edge to them. Bit of stainless steel by the looks of it. So we'll give that a try, see how that goes, and let's give it a little quick test. So it's definitely not the nicest of days out here today. It's a very black sky, very gloomy. So let's give this the small shears a go first. We'll try this on my hedge, which probably could do with a trim. Let's try the small ones out, and then we'll go for the bigger ones. So let's come over to here. It's a bit longer. Easy. Easy work of that. Still nice and light, to be honest, even with the battery on it. There's no weight to that at all. So I think we can say the small ones work well. doesn't make much noise. It doesn't actually sound like it's very powerful, but it's certainly cutting well. Yep, I'm happy with that. Let's switch over to the longer ones and give them a try. So I'm more likely to use this. Here's the longer ones. More likely to use this on these smaller hedges, because that's a bit that this is, you know, just to get round and tidy up this one. So we're going to try this longer one on this smaller hedge. Once again, probably need to trim, tidy up. So let's get that in shot. Quiet, it's quiet. Like again, it sounds like it's got no power because it's so quiet, but cuts through, no problems. That's trimming that, no worries. There we go. Let's get it on a, have I got a thicker branch we can try it on to see. All needs tidying up, look. Winter's coming. It will stop growing. That's making easy work of that, easy. Yeah, works fine. Happy with that. Let's go back and finish up. So what I thought I'd do for a final test is these apple tree branches. Let's see if we'll try both ends and see if either of the ends can get through these. They're obviously a lot thicker. Yeah, no problems. As long as it goes through the gap, that seems alright. Okay, so we'll chew through them. I needed both hands obviously there to hold the other one. Let's just try the shorter one, the shorter cut one there. That's literally just going to be a push in, switch of the two buttons, there it comes off. These seem to be much better suited just a little pruning of little, like that, there, you can just trim up the little. Anything of any thickness, these shears certainly don't like. No, they bind up quite easy on the thicker stuff. But the longer one, I don't suppose this tool is specifically suited for cutting trees, to be fair. This is a trimming hedge tool. There it is with the longer side on it. Apologise for the noise in the background. Yeah, so hedge, perfect. Small branches, especially with this one, small branches, you're not going to struggle. Thicker branches, don't expect it to come in and trim the thicker branches. Will I use it on my big hedge? No, because I'm not going to come out here with this little thing and trim my big hedge. But will I use this to trim up the little hedges? Yeah, definitely. It's handy just for the sort of the little trim up jobs when you can't bother to run a cable, or you don't need a great big long cutter. If you just want to pop out, just need a little tiny bit of pruning. It'll do you fine for that. So it's not expensive. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can, if you want to check it out. It's another tool in the Ingo Tools range. give that a look. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's just a little garden trimmer, quick change tools on the bottom there, and does what it says on the box.